cricket, a penalty run is a type of extra run awarded for various breaches of the laws, generally related to unfair play or player conduct. Many of these penalties have been added since the year 2000. No fielder other than the wicketkeeper shall be permitted to wear gloves. If a fielder deliberately fields the ball with the keeper's gloves, the umpire shall award 5 penalty runs to the batting side. Also, informs the other umpire and the captain of the fielding side with the reason for this action. However, it is not illegal fielding if the ball in play makes contact with a piece of clothing, equipment, or any other object which has accidentally fallen from the fielder's person. If the ball comes in contact with any protective gear of the fielder, like hat or gloves, which isn't a part of their body, the 5 penalty runs will be awarded to the batting side. Also, if the keeper tries to stop the ball by throwing his glove or cap, it will cost 5 runs to the fielding side. It is unfair to cause deliberate or avoidable damage to the pitch. If the batsman runs down the middle of the pitch, which is called protected area, the umpire will caution the batsman and indicate that this is a first and final warning. This warning shall apply throughout the innings. If the same batsman repeats the mistake in that innings, the bowler's end umpire shall then award 5 penalty runs to the bowling side after the ball is dead. If either umpire considers that one or both batsmen deliberately ran short at that umpire's end, the umpire concerned shall call and signal short run and then award 5 penalty runs to the fielding side. In order to keep the batsman out of strike for the next over, if the fielder intentionally kicks the ball to the ropes, umpires shall consider this as a violation and award 5 runs to the batting team as a penalty. If the ball in play strikes the wicketkeeper's helmet when it is on the field but not being worn, the batting team will get 5 runs as penalty. Whenever a penalty is awarded, the ball shall immediately become dead and any runs completed by the batsman shall be credited to the batting side, together with the run in progress if the batsman had already crossed at the instant of the offence. If you like this video, do share this video with your friends and family. Episode 2 will be out very soon.